Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Blue Lagoon cocktail using an easy method. This refreshing drink is perfect for any gathering or a relaxing evening. You will need just a few simple ingredients to get started. We'll use 1 1/2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of blue curacao, and 4 ounces of lemonade. Make sure everything is ready before we begin. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's start mixing. First, take your tall glass and fill it generously with fresh ice cubes. This helps keep your drink perfectly chilled. Next, carefully pour 1 1/2 ounces of your favorite vodka over the ice. Then, add 1 ounce of the beautiful blue curacao, which gives our cocktail its signature color. Finally, top it all off with 4 ounces of crisp lemonade. With all the liquids in the glass, it's time to gently stir your Blue Lagoon. Use a long spoon to mix the ingredients for about 10 to 15 seconds. This ensures all the flavors are well combined and the beautiful blue color is consistent throughout. For the perfect finishing touch, garnish your cocktail with a fresh lemon slice or a bright red maraschino cherry. A fun straw can also add to the festive look. And there you have it, your very own, easily made Blue Lagoon cocktail. This simple method allows you to create a truly delightful and visually stunning drink in just a few minutes. The vibrant blue hue and refreshing citrus taste make it an ideal choice for any celebration or a relaxing moment. Enjoy your creation, share it with loved ones, and remember to always drink responsibly. Cheers to your perfect Blue Lagoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.